Why are you red? What? What do you say?
I'm getting a warning about like fires. I don't know.
Oh, I forgot to tell them that the code is ABIJ. Let's go to a
Bro.
public code. Everybody,
Oh
go to
my
a public
gosh.
code. Go to a public code. So
I
just
am
get
in a
rid of the
public.
No, look, because it says ABIJ right there. We need.
Oh, go to
Make
public
that
one.
disappear.
Okay.
Wants a free world. Wants a free community. And wants okay. No one wants free community.
Hiya.
Sigma, 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 Sigma.
I think there's
How do
something wrong with that child.
What are you talking about? I'm not understanding. No. Turn your
I want to be red,
on
bro.
her.
Oh, that's how I become red.
Yeah, it's a secret.
Look at me, like an angry bird.
Come here.
This is the best. I can't show you guys in this video, but it's
Wait, Caleb, I
basically
see him like
a joke about Night Caleb.
Back to Kina shit.
It's
Bar.
What's in here? Am I a good boy?
No, you're not.
Shut
I would
up,
be
what?
dead.
wait. I want what waffles to
barks
join. I want what waffles to join.
Yeah.
Okay, well he left, so let's just go to room 1. I forgot to remove that. Ready?
You kind of left something here.
I'm gonna remove him from staff because that's real funny.
Whoa.
Yeah, I meant to remove that. Let's go play.
All the screaming, dude.
Look, that
Wait,
I
what
built
is
that for
allowed?
you. Cause you're freaking.
Yeah. Where might you be, sir?
No.
Hi, I'm gonna murder you real quick. How do you feel about that?
Please, I'm innocent. Could you?
Wait, do I have consent to murder you, bro?
No, you don't.
Oh, okay then.
Oh. You can explore the map for a little bit, I guess. I meant to do.
It was
more
up,
with
high
this.
five.
Oh yay!
Whoops, it was an accident. My finger slipped.
Your finger slipped. Yeah, bro, my finger slipped. Oh, he's gone. Ah!
Hmm.
Oh yeah! Oh, holy cow! He's over there. He's over there. He's over there.
He's over where?
He's like way. He's like way over there.
Alright.
Scammer gets scammed.
Oh, free camera. Uh-oh! Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the live stream. Here we've got my captive.
No, please.
So, guys,
Please.
100 likes and I'll murder him. Oh, no!
Please! I don't have 100 subscribers. Dude, this video's gonna be such a pain to. No, don't go in there. I can't get in there. No,
Hey there,
no,
make sure to like and
no.
subscribe.
I love this so much. Holy cow, you should join the stage I'm gonna do after this, because I'm gonna like edit the video. It's gonna be like super funny.
Dodge, dodge.
Bro is gonna have no clue where I went.
Wait till you all see my Gods of Gravity PvP map. It's gonna be fire.
Yeah.
The back rooms.
No, it's a map. Part of the map that like half of it didn't save. Ready, I'm literally in the Matrix.
Listen here, asshole. I got the gun here.
Yeah, well, I got the shot. Oh, it's the
Now you
shot.
better tell your viewers to like and subscribe.
I have the furry. Rawr.
Code
Ah,
TPP.
rawr, rawr. Oh, I can go even more furry. I should not be saying that. I have friends who make fun of my YouTube channel, as some will say. There's no shot he went through. Wait, where's the camera? Recording.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Welcome back to a new YouTube vlog. Nope.
Yo. Bro, just come here so I can murder you. Take
Oh, what the freak? Oh, you found Joe's office.
Joe's office.
Wait, you want to go see the outside? Matrix. Matrix, Matrix. Come on, let me take you
Oh,
to give you a
Matrix.
tour of the outside. Follow me, follow me. There is actually outside access.
Wait, where the hell did the other guy go?
He just like disappeared. Here it is. Here's what everything looks like on the flip side. Remember, you know that one Squid Game video I posted? It's like player 456. You have fun playing the game. This is where I filmed it. Whoa!
It's the place.
It's so accurate to the actual thing. Also, since the viewers didn't see the full, here's what the backside looked like. And then basically we have the zipline of doom over here. Oh, not expecting to just like diarrhea. No. Oh, that's what I was trying. My left controller still does not work, and I am awfully upset. So what do you do when your controller doesn't work? You bang it on your bed frame.
I'm banging you.
What? Oh,
I'm
it's so
banging you,
weird
like,
with
with a gun.
Owie! I threw my controller. Whoa! Ooh, it only you have to be a real Yeeps player to be able to do this. I can vertical that. No, I can vertical it. Easy vert. So close, yet so far. The only reason why I'm actually doing this is because I've been running out of video ideas, and I was taking a break from content creator for like January because I got a little mad at one of the cast members. Rah, 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 rah.
I am here, bro.
Oh, hi!
What do you mean hi? I ain't here.
Rawr! I love the way you scream. What? Ow!
Just move, idiot. Oh. second.
What gave it away? What gave it away?
I heard the teleporter earlier.
No, I thought I timed it perfectly, so it like, it's like the monster sound.
Touchdown the balls.
What? It's crazy.
Imagine getting
Can we
your
not?
balls tickled by the monster, bro.
I'm gonna give you the naughty femboy role in Discord.
The what?
The naughty femboy role.
Please do not.
A role only given to those who shall be punished. Only 2 people wield this awesome, I mean, really bad role. Guys, I didn't say awesome. Hi, how's your day going?
I'm just gonna. Oh no!
No, I can't. I don't have the proper rotation.
No!
Curse my freaking crippleness.
What are you doing, bro?
Don't worry about it.
I think I will.
Now. Dang it! Oh, I thought I just juked you so hard.
Easiest pickle of my life.
Wait, what waffles went online? Offline, damn it. Just make you never find me. I left the camera there. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I left the camera there. He's not paying attention. When did you get out there? Like what?
There's a hole when you go through the door. Look over here.
I didn't fix it?
No, there's a hole right here.
I swore I fixed that part. Dang it.
Come here. I'm
No, I
going
don't-
to put my boogers on you. I'm gonna put my booger on you.
Okay.
God, I'm good, bro.
Okay, I have to film the outro since I'm just really badly hurt my wrist just now. I'm left-handed. I'm playing with my right hand, which I broke my thumb. Unofficially broke. Thank you guys for watching this awesomely
Hold on,
spectacular
amigo. Voice decoy go crazy.
Voice decoy, do the outro.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
You know what to do. Tell them so I can subscribe.
Wow, 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 wow. Whoa, whoa, don't be rash.
No, fuck.
No, my
I'm
balls!
fricked.
Open!
No, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Fuck, curse you.
Huh?
Okay, guys,
The
thank
hell's
you
that?
so much for watching the YouTube video, and stay skippy, guys, stay Sigma, stay skippy, like and subscribe, hit that
Cut.
bell button, and
Never say that
next
again.
video will probably be showcasing his Gods of Gravity map when he's done, which will be a
It's
while.
nowhere near done.
Yeah, I don't like uploading. I hate my subscribers.
It's gonna be good though, like, I'm gonna charge the star and
Specifically
everything. That's
Specifically
like
one
my
named that
favorite
one
Gods of
Maxman guy.
Gravity
Okay, well, I'm gonna go edit this video on a stage in the Discord server that you should join.
games. Listen here, little guy. I think it's about time that you learn how to use a gun.
Wait,